Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable global style inline CSS for multiple pages using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page and this is our about page. So we are going to disable global style inline CSS for multiple pages using custom code. So this is our contact page. Right click on it and then click on inspect. So first we are going to find out in elements. Now control left and then write a global style and then you see style ID global style inline CSS for contact and about page. So we are going to disable it by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to disable global style inline CSS for multiple pages. Now you see multiple pages array. So we are going to add page ID. Now you see 17, 25, 42. So you can add your pages ID. Now go to edit page about. So this is our contact page. Now you see ID 1645. Now go to about page and then you see 17. So we are going to add these pages ID 1645. Now back to code. Now paste here. So you can add multiple pages and then scroll down. You see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to about page and refresh the page. Go to contact page and refresh the page. Now close and then right click on it and then click on inspect. So click on it. Now inspect element open and then find global style. Now you don't see any div ID global style inline CSS. Zero search. Now copy. Back to about page. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open. Again find. So we write global hyphen style and then you see search 0 of 0. So in this way you can disable global style inline CSS for multiple pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.